Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing devices. Place AirPods in the case and open the lid, then press and hold the setup button until the status light flashes white. Once done, put your controller in wired mode or connect a compatible Bluetooth audio adapter to the Xbox's USB port, because Xbox consoles don't natively accept AirPods via Bluetooth. Make sure your console's audio output is set to headset and that you choose the correct audio channel. This ensures you capture game sound through the adapter. Now connect through the middle step. If using a USB Bluetooth dongle, plug it into the Xbox and enter its pairing mode. If using a 3.5mm adapter on the controller, plug the adapter and enable its Bluetooth pairing. Once the dongle is discoverable, open the AirPods case with the button held so they appear and pair. You should hear confirmation in the AirPods. Then, make sure the Xbox audio settings route sound to the headset and tweak mic monitoring and volume so game audio is balanced with. Finish by testing both game and chat audio in a party or game. Adjust the audio mixer so you hear the levels you want. If audio fails, first repair AirPods to the dongle, confirm the adapter has power, and restart the console. These quick steps resolve most issues. Also note why AirPods often don't present a full bidirectional headset profile to Xbox, so your microphone might not work reliably. If voice is required, use the controller mic or a separate gaming headset for chat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.